You're 22. Tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys see, we're in another area today. We're in the kitchen area and we're gonna be making my favorite cake. Well, one of my top favorite cakes of all time, which is tres leche cake. So we're just gonna get right into it. If you guys are new to this channel, definitely subscribe down below so you guys can be notified when I post another video. And also comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see more cooking videos, baking videos and stuff like that, because I do cook and bake occasionally. Like I used to bake a lot when I was younger, but now I bake like ever so often. So we're gonna be doing tres leche cake today. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. And we're actually gonna be doing it in the air fryer. This is the first time I'm gonna be making a cake in the air fryer, but the air fryer that I have, it has like a bake setting. So I think we should be good, but we're gonna see because I never did anything like that before, so.
All right guys, so for the ingredients, you're gonna need evaporated milk, condensed milk, heavy whipping cream, whole milk, eggs and oil obviously for the cake. You're gonna need a foil pan, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, the Pam spray, and then obviously your cake mix. So the cake mix I use is the classic white. I don't use the yellow one, I just use the white one for some reason. I don't know, I guess you could use the yellow one, but I don't think it really matters. But for this white cake mix, I had to use 5 egg whites, which is crazy. Like I had to basically waste 5 eggs, but it's okay because I get my eggs from Aldi's and it's super cheap. If you guys don't shop at Aldi's, then you need to start shopping there because it's very affordable in these hard times. So right now I'm just cracking my eggs and I'm taking out the egg white and avoiding the yolk. So I'm just gonna put back the yolk, and I'm gonna do this 5 times until I get the 5 yolks in there. After that, I'm just gonna add a cup of oil. I'm just following the instructions on the box. So I added a cup of oil, and then I think it was like a 1.25 cups of water. So I'm gonna add that as well. And guys, you could make your own cake mix, you know, from scratch, but I'm just lazy and I don't feel like doing that. I just want to get the tres leche cake done, so I just didn't make a cake from scratch, but you could definitely do that if you would like. But right now I'm just mixing that cake mixture. I used the wooden spoon and then I switched over to my what is it called? Whisk. All right, so now you want to get that foil pan in there in that air fryer. I was able to fit it in there. I think the pan that I have is 8 inches, but the air fryer recommended a 4-inch pan. So if you could get a 4-inch pan, that'll work too. So I'm gonna spray that pan with my Pam spray, just so it doesn't stick. And then I'm gonna pour that mixture in the pan. Now for the temperature, you want to turn your air fryer on and then put it on bake. You're going to bake it on 360 degrees for about 18 minutes. So I'm just going to set that. And I'm going to leave it while I work on my frosting. For the frosting now, you want to take 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And then you want to get your powdered sugar. The ingredients usually calls for like 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, but it depends on how sweet you want your frosting. So I just kind of put as much as I thought I would like, you know, for it to be sweet. But I did add a little bit too much, so just add a little less than what I put. And then I added a little bit of vanilla extract just to give it that vanilla flavor. And then what you want to do now is you want to whip this together. Like, you got to literally whip for like a good couple minutes. Like, I think I was whipping for like 10-15 minutes, to be honest. Like, the whole time that the cake was in the air fryer, I was whipping the frosting, because you want to just continue whipping. You could take breaks too, because obviously your arm's gonna hurt. But this took me so long to get the frosting to really be the texture that I want it to be. And you're gonna see I was just struggling. All right, guys, so the air fryer just ended and we're gonna see how the cake, oh my god. Yo, when I saw this cake, I was so scared, because why did the top burn like that? This is my first time trying it in the air fryer, so this was literally an experiment for me. So I just decided to just cut off that top part, because I didn't think that the milk would like get into the cake if the top was like so crunchy like that. I don't know. But I just decided to cut that top part out and then continue with the rest of the process. So for the milk mixture now, we're going to take 1 cup of each milk. So I'm going to start with the whole milk, 1 cup of whole milk. One cup of evaporated milk. And then 1 cup of condensed milk. You want to just whisk that all together, and that is going to be your milk mixture that you're going to pour all over your cake, and it's going to taste so good. It's about to taste so good, y'all. Just wait. So right now I'm just poking some holes in it just to really get that milk mixture to really soak into the cake. And when I really think about it, maybe I should have kept the top and just poke holes in it, and then the milk would have just went through, but it's fine. I already took the top off. It was kind of burnt anyway, so I didn't want to risk, you know, the cake tasting any type of way. So we're going to poke some holes in the cake just to make sure that the mixture goes through, and then we're gonna pour that milk mixture over the cake. I did end up adding a little bit too much milk, so just make sure you don't add too much milk on the cake. Just add just enough. Here I go adding some more milk. it was a lot, but it still ended up coming out good. After you pour your milk, you want to add your finishing touches. You want to add that whipped cream that we whipped by hand. Yes, we whipped that by hand, and we're going to place that over our tres leche cake. And you could also you could get the whipped cream pre-made already, but I just wanted to make it myself because it just tastes lighter and fresher. I don't know, it just tastes a little bit better, so I wanted to make it myself. So I'm just applying that on the cake with a metal spoon, just smoothing that out. And then I'm gonna finish it off with some cinnamon as well. So yeah guys, this cake is very, very easy. The only thing hard about this cake is that you gotta literally soak it overnight. Like, you gotta leave it overnight and let that milk soak into the spongy cake, and then it just tastes so good. Like, oh my gosh. But I'm gonna cover that up, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge for tomorrow.
All right guys, so the baking is done. I have the cake right here. Can't really show it too much because I gotta let it go in the fridge and sit overnight. That is what makes it taste the best. Whew, I cannot wait to try my tres leche cake. I'm about to put it in the fridge right now and let it sit for about 24 hours. And then I'm probably gonna show you guys what it looks like. If not, then just know that I ate all of it already. But yeah guys, I'm about to put this in the fridge and I'll see you guys soon.
Kim K and Kanye crazy, just me, constant crazy with my lady. You got something that I'm interested in, just me, you're 20.